Presenting the Redmi 2. The phone has display of large 16.5 cm HD Plus display. The phone also has 400 nits peak brightness, scratch-resistant glass and 120 Hz touch. It has 8MP dual camera. It has 5MP front camera. It has high-performance MediaTek Helio G36 and portrait mode. It comes with 5000 mAh battery with 10 watts charger in box. It has up to 4 GB RAM, 2 GB virtual RAM and 64 GB storage. Dedicated micro SD card slot and expandable storage to up to 1 TB. It supports dual SIM, Nano plus Nano, and dual standby, 4G plus 4G. It is powered by up to 2.2 GHz. It also features splash-proof design, MIUI dialer and dedicated micro SD card slot with up to 1 TB support. 8MP dual camera f/2.0 and portrait, video, HDR, short video, time-lapse. The delivery box contains power adapter, SIM tray ejector and USB cable. For warranty and further information, visit the product detail page.